Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about the topic uniform bending method to find elevation and young modulus of the given beam or scale. You are take iron rod or wooden scale. Then 1 meter wooden scale. These are uniform rectangular cross section of the beam or scale. This is center of the axis for neutral axis. This end for A and another end B. These two knife edge distances. These two edge. These are length, particular lengths, and then breadth, and then thickness. These are equilibrium position. Uniform bending method. You have to apply the load both side equally applied. So both side equally bending. Okay, put in the top surface for upper half for elongation, lower half for compressed. This upper half elongation, you can midpoint elevation analyzed. Okay, you see this diagram, you can change this restoring the block, restoring force applied after changing this bending of the beam. This one rectangular beam, with both side load applied. This beam for supported two knife edges A and B. This two knife edge distance L. This beam bending both side equally, but you can small thread using both side thread using, and then stretch this is wooden scale or B. This angle end for your weight hanger using your load applied, W load. This side load applied, W load. Equal load applied. For example, 50 gram mass and then 100 gram mass equally. Both sides equally bending. But this midpoint, 50 centimeter. This was 50 centimeter midpoint. Go to pin or Gundus using the pin sharp edge. Touch this horizontal line. Another opposite side microscope using for every load applied. The beam for bending. Your upper surface for elongated, lower surface for contraction or compressed this material. For the position of the tip, the pin tip for changing it. For your microscope top and bottom adjusted, the pin touch this horizontal line. And the time you take MSR VSC and then VSR total reading find out. So your scale or beam elevation analyzed with respect to the applied load or restoring force. This is a restoring force or recovering force after this both side you can equal load applied. We equally sharing this load. Okay, 50 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 150, 150, 200, 200. But these two knife edges are supporting this beam or scale. But opposite side, your upper surface are supporting another opposite direction. This load, this knife edge for sharing this weight, same load for sharing it. Which load you have to apply? So sharing this another opposite side. Which load you have to apply? Another opposite side directions for supporting weight for reacting this upper half. Okay, but this is scale or beam for balanced. Okay, this knife edge for supporting this beam. Why supporting this beam? For both sides you have to apply. This is supporting this two knife edges, another opposite side for sharing this weight. Okay, automatically the beam for balance with this position. We can again load increasing, again bending, again load increasing, bending. With respect to the material elasticity, it's a material elasticity property. This beam or scale for bending it. This midpoint you have to consider, that is delta, that is elevation of the beam or scale. Okay, this point you have to consider E point. So A, B, or this one for you have to consider A and this one B consider. Load applied A, B and C, D consider. Two knife edges C, D. This A, B for your side corner you have to apply the load. Okay, this load both side equal apply. The weight depending the beam for bending this side, this weight depending this side beam bending. both sides uniformly equally distributed the mass and then equally bending this beam. So this bending moment analyze. Bending moment. What do you mean by bending moment? The moment of the force. This midpoint. The midpoint. Okay. Apply this restoring couple. In equilibrium position, bending couple is equal to the restoring couple. The moment of the restoring couple is called the bending moment. Okay, you go to one side, you go to calculate it. Another side, same value is coming. Okay, our bending moment, any one side you have to find out. This was same value, another side possible. Okay, this was two knife at the distance L. But this half of the distance, A to E. This was L by 2. And E to D. This was L by 2, half of the length. This was unknown distance. This was unknown distance. For example, 5 centimeter allotted. This side for you 5 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter wooden scale. Okay, wow. Or wooden rod take 1 meter. This side 5 centimeter get it. This side 5 centimeter. If this side distance allotted, equally same distance allotted. This one you go to analyze. This distance for unknown value. This one you go to consider P. This one you go to consider P. For example, this one 10 centimeter cut it. This one 10 centimeter. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 15, 30 centimeter over. The remaining, okay, 15 plus 15, 30 centimeter over. Both sides for knife edge to weight hanger to edge of the scale or beam. Knife edge to weight hanger to the edge of the beam or scale. Okay, both sides equal distance allotted, equally bending. Okay, this 30 centimeter, go to subtracted 100 minus 30, 70 centimeter. That is L. That is L. So this L value equal to 70 centimeter fixed. But this midpoint over scale, wooden scale of 50 centimeter position, you go to allotted the pin. The pin sharp edge focusing this microscope scale. For microscope, this pin sharp edge touch this horizontal line. Okay, at the time you take MSRVC. Another load apply. This is beam for bending. The position opposite direction moving. I got to adjust this knot. Again you go to load apply and then focusing adjusted. Pin touches this one. Every load applied, I go to changing this data. Finally go to elevation and then substitute this breadth value find out, thickness value find out, Vernier caliper screw gauge reading. Go to finally Young modulus find out. Breadth of the scale using Vernier caliper. For example, 2.5 centimeter, ma'am. 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Thickness of the scale, ma'am. This is wooden scale thickness. 5 into 10 power minus 3 meter coming, ma'am. Okay. This wooden scale, a rectangular bar. This bar. Horizontal position or breadth analyze, Vernier caliper jar inside it, over to MSRVC and then thickness identified, that is the thickness of the beam or scale value. Millimeter conversion minus 3 meter. Okay, this uniform bending method, okay, first A delta and then second one Young modulus. We were adding, explain this beam, we are bending, analyzed. Okay, to knife edge distance L, this midpoint to knife edge distance L by 2, midpoint to knife edge distance L by 2. Or weight hanger to knife edge distance, this is unknown value. Go to analyze, that is you have to consider P. Okay, and then weight hanger to edges, same distance go to another. For example, 5 centimeter, go to 5 centimeter. Okay, your questions, your aim, find out. Next, bending moment y ig by r equal to y ig by r. This one, the knife edges, you have to apply the load. So we can get the same for unknown value P. This was C and this was this A and C. This distance P analyzed. This bending moment equal to, for go to downward direction load for applied W load, and then changing this area. Which changes this area? First we go to consider A into C. Knife edge to this weight hanger fixed end AC. This is supporting this knife edges another opposite direction equally sharing this load. This which value? W load is sharing. Give up. But this subtracted this another half. This one remaining for this half C. Which load you have to sharing this side? W load. This side W load sharing. W into C distance. W into C distance. Bending moment OAG by R. Any one side you go to bending analyze, another side equally. Okay, your question says one side you go to changes analyze. Your weight hanger to knife edge distance P. When knife edge to midpoint for L by 2. This is AC. W load you can apply once W into AC and then C into E. This changing this length value. W into this for your totally you can change here. A into your knife edge distance, that is which value you can analyze. A இருந்து நீங்க டோட்டலா அதை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி பாக்குறீங்க எவ்வளவு வேல்யூ வரைக்கும் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத ஓகேவா தட் இஸ் ஃபார் can calculated AE. Okay, this is total bending knife edge to this one AE except this value for C. Okay, but this for balance for AC. AE minus W common outside take it, remaining term for AC. This for load. This one B. This one weight hanger W. This one B. Knife edge C. This one B. This one P. This one L by 2. Okay, with this point, your upward directions, okay, you got to load apply W into your load applied point 2, your midpoint distance AE minus, but except this value. So you can find out this value. W load, another opposite side, where upper half supporting this side W, and then this remaining terms for, okay, C distance. So you will consider full length. இந்த length உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அப்ப subtract பண்ணிட்டா இந்த length உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. இந்த unknown வழி ஈஸியா ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். So W into AE minus W into C. But therefore W common both the side. Okay. AE minus C. AE minus C. அப்ப that is this point only unknown value. AC. So this AC for W into P. This one Y IG by R. Okay, friends. Again, I am explaining this is one half. Okay, thoroughly you have to identify. You changing this area. Which area you can identify. Okay, friends. This equation you have to consider 1. And then bending moment identify. This radius of curvature. This side for weight hanger, you have to apply W load. This is the radius of curvature, that is R. This one angle theta. Okay, this side 1 R, this side is R. Both sides are 2R. 2R delta. 2R delta equal to. When side enna kandupidikom? Elevation. 2R delta equal to this one L square divided by 4. L by 2 this side knife edge, this half for L by 2. This side delta 1, this side delta 1, 2 times 2 delta. Radius of curvature, this side load, 2R delta equal to your knife edge, midpoint to knife edge, midpoint to knife edge. L by T L square by 4. This R equal to L square divided by 4 into 8 and then delta. L square divided by 8 delta. Now to cancel this equation number 2. That is radius of curvature. And then next, now to substitute this equation 1. Equation 2. Substitute in equation 1. Yig divided by this R value L square divided by 8 delta. That is equal to L square divided by 4. Again simplify this term. 8 delta going to numerator. Yig 8 delta divided by L square equal to L square by 4. Okay, and then capital Y equal to L square L power 4 Yig. Okay, this was denominator coming. We have to simplify this term. L squared by 4. We have to substitute this equation. L squared by 4. Substitute this equation. L squared by 8 delta, that is equal to equation number 1 for WP this side coming. WP. You can simplify Yig 8 delta divided by L squared equal to WP. But therefore Y equal to WP L square divided by L square cross product, remaining terms coming denominator 8 Ig delta. This one Newton per meter square. And uniform bending method, to find the young modulus of the given beam, go to apply the load. W meaning mass into acceleration due to gravity. P go to apply the pressure, total body number, radius of curvature value, apply full load P value, and then L length of the two knife edge distance, Ig geometric moment of inertia value, delta elevation of the midpoint. And then again simplify this equation. Delta equal to WP L square cross product, and then denominator coming 8 Ig into capital Y. Okay, this for elevation. Already inform you bending of beams and then non-uniform bending method for two special cases applied. Okay, special cases. Which one? First one for a rectangular cross section. Your beam or scale, you can take it rectangular cross sectional area where Ig geometric moment of inertia Ig equal to BD cube divided by 12. We go to substitute this young modulus value Y equal to WP L square divided by 8 delta into BD cube divided by 12. Ig substitute. And you can simplify this term. 4 2s are 3 4s are 12. 3 going to numerator. 3 WP L square divided by 4 BD cube delta. Newton per meter square. The constant ratio of the longitudinal stress to the longitudinal strain within the elastic limit. For the given scalar beam value 3 WP L square divided by 4 BD cube delta. And then you can substitute for circular cross sectional area. For beam for circular cross section, identify the geometric moment of inertia value Ig for pi r4 4 by 4. You can substitute this young modulus formula WP L square divided by 8 BD cube, 8 delta this I G substitute pi r power 4 by 4. Go to simplify this term. 2 y equal to WP L square divided by 2 pi r power 4 into delta Newton per meter square. Okay friends, the circular cross section will be okay Young modulus formula. You can slightly changes. Your questions, our university questions pattern model, explain uniform bending method, find out the Young modulus of the given scale. And then previous class I will discuss about the topic non-uniform bending method to find the depression and Young modulus value. Suppose your question pattern changing, differentiate uniform and non-uniform bending method. Give up. You can both the side diagram written or uniform bending diagram, non-uniform bending diagram, uniform bending moment, non-uniform bending moment equation, and then your elevation point, and then depression point, and then Young modulus equation, and then this for a rectangular cross section, circular cross section, and this you can differentiate this for both equations, uniform and non-uniform bending. This for 4 mark and this for non-uniform bending 4 mark, 8 mark questions. Each topic for 8 mark questions. Are any one questions compulsory or you attend this university exam? Anyone, non-uniform bending or uniform bending, anyone compulsory for Anna University question paper given. Okay, all students compulsory study this part. Already last class I am updated this non-uniform bending method and then special cases also. And previous class for bending moment derivations. Okay, this is compulsory. Either are questions unit 1, this questions possible. Okay, students. For free time, or you studied this part. Okay, you can comparison this both method. Thank you, students. Thank you one and all.